I've gone ahead and measured about 2 cups of my pink lemonade into the pitcher. And now I'm going to add the soda in. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour the whole bottle of soda. I love the way it fizzes up in there with the lemonade. And then I'm going to add my raspberry sherbet. And as I was saying before, you can use any flavor you like. Raspberry just goes beautifully with the lemonade and the lemon lime soda. And you really don't have to measure any of this because it's all to taste. So I'm just going to put a few scoops of the sherbet in there. And, you know, the pink flavor is just so nice for Valentine's Day. And then I'm just going to mix it up. And if you're staying home and you're not driving, you could even put a little vodka in there for an extra special Valentine treat. And look at how my love potion foams up. And I'm just going to pour it in. And we'll taste it. It looks like champagne. Delicious.